What's up, you guys? It's your girl Victoria, and I'm back with another video. So it definitely has been a little minute since I've been on here. I've been doing a lot, and I don't even want to have this intro too long. Let's just get into this hair, because I'm sure that's why you guys clicked to see what type of hair am I reviewing today. So actually, I have two wigs to show you guys today from a company called Frontal Hair. You guys know for a fact I do pros and cons, and if you don't know, I always start off with my cons, then I move on to the good stuff, which is my pros. But I am going to review and tell you a little bit about the hair before I start to judge it. I got two wigs. They look pretty much the same to me. I definitely could not wait until I got to you guys to show it, but they pretty much look the same to me. So I'm gonna try to fix the box. So this is the box that it came in, and I love it. It's a black owned company. Support. That's what I always say. I support any company, but this is my first particularly black owned company, so shout out to them for reaching out to me. So it came in this box, and inside the box came a paper. It says their name on it, and on the paper it has this ugly looking wig on it. I'ma say it, hey, we judging the hair, not the paper. So it just says, dear customers, thanks a lot for this purchase. Are you satisfied with your product? Yada yada yada. So it comes in a plastic bag inside of the formal bag, and inside of there came that paper and also this little packet. And I'm already in love with this little packet because it gives me clips and an elastic band. Any company that sends me an elastic band might as well be my #1 company, because elastic bands are very useful. I really love the elastic method. I feel like it holds it. It makes you feel secure about your hair. Because last night I went downtown in New Orleans and I got on the bull, and guess what? I was like, I don't want my hair to fall out. Even though I had it glued down, I still didn't want it to fall off. And that elastic, every time I have a wig with elastic on it, it makes me feel secure. So that's a plus. But let's get into the hair. So you guys, this is the first wig. The curls are very, very, very tight. This is what the lace looks like. It's actually 360, which is my first 360 wig also, so shout out to them for that. It has, let me show you the inside. It has adjustable straps, a comb in the back. All wigs come with 3 combs at the top. Why this comb in the middle? I'm not sure, but I've used the comb in the middle once, and I think I put a comb in the middle for this hair. I've used it once to keep my frontal from slipping back. I know that, like, okay, let's say the lace, the glue will come like undone, but it won't go back. It won't move back. It'll just come up. That's it. So I guess it's kind of useful in a way. 13x4 lace, and the lace is very, very, very deep. Like, it's long. This is long. It does have baby hairs, and it is kind of already pre-plucked. I've never got a wig that I had to be like, I didn't pluck anything on here. I've always had to go in and pluck to my likings. The knots are very light, so I'm sure you won't have to go in with a high developer, because usually sometimes I go in with high developers, so I'm not sitting there that long. But this one is very light. Let's see if you guys can see. See, like, you could barely see the knots on it. Let's do my pros and cons. My con right now, which I can't really give it a con because I really don't know how it'll turn out, is these curls They're very, very tight. I'm not a tight curl fan. I'm not even a curly girl fan. I just recently wore these curls and I fell in love with it once I got it to my likings. So I'll just have to see what this turns out to be. That is my only con right now. This hair doesn't have a smell, so that's a pro. It is a 360 lace. That's another pro. The parting space on this is crazy. It's deep to say it's just 13 by 4. So that lace is big. That's big for parting space. So everything else is a pro. Shipping came super fast. It came within 2 days. So yeah, that is always good. And I did standard ship one, which I wasn't paying attention, and I paid $7 for shipping. But I did do the regular one and they both came at the same time, like the free shipping and standard, and they both came at the same time. So that may be something that you guys may want to know if you want to be like, hey, I want to get my hair in faster. I did standard shipping for $7 and I still got it in. I still got the other wig in the same day. So it just really depends. But I am going to show you guys the other wig. It's about the same thing, so I won't have to give you pros, cons. You just could look at there. So this is the other one, and this one is a 20-inch, and it's a little bit looser than the other one. I will compare them. One is a little bit looser. The lengths are different. This is a 20-inch. This is an 18-inch. I ran my fingers through this one, so this is why it kind of looks shaggy like that. This one still has light knots. You won't have to go in that much. It looks already pre-plucked, and it has adjustable straps. And let's see what the ends look like. Okay, the ends aren't bad. You might need to, you know, clip a little bit on it. Besides that, everything else looks good. I think this one will be like really nice on me because it's the 20-inch and it's not as tight as this one. You see, I think I'll really like this one. So yes, you guys, this is formal. You guys check them out. This hair didn't cost too much. I believe this wig was $128, and that's not bad for a 360 wig with nice hair and big parting space. Like you can't lose with that one. So you guys check them out. Thank you guys for watching my video, and stay tuned for more.